Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will cover the first chapter, which is the Earth in the solar system. And I have tried to cover all the points in just 5 minutes. So let's begin. We see some of the things in the sky, like the sun, the moon and the stars. These all are the celestial bodies, and to know about these, we can divide them in two categories. First, stars. Second, non-stars. So, first we begin with stars. Now, the question is, what are the stars? We all are familiar with them, but the actual definition of a star is that it must have its own heat and light. The stars are made up of gases, and as the sun has also its own heat and light and is made up of gases, that's why it is also a star. And do you know, a group of stars which creates various patterns in the sky is known as constellation. And one of the examples is Ursa Major, or also known as Big Bear. It creates a pattern like a bear in the sky, so it is known as Big Bear or Ursa Major. And another we have Saptarishi or 7 sages. This is all about the constellation. The second category is known stars. We can put planets, asteroids, meteoroids in this category. Now we will see what is the solar system. And to understand the solar system, either you should have 8 cricket balls plus 1 football, or you can simply just imagine the situation. Now put this football on a table and all cricket balls beside it, but in a row. So this football is the sun and cricket balls are the planets, 8 planets. And now put any object between the 4th and the 5th cricket ball. You can clearly see that this object has divided the cricket balls in 2 equal parts. Now, these 4 balls which are closer to the sun are inner planets, and those which are farther to the sun are outer planets. Inner planets are made up of rocks and have solid surface, and outer planets are made up of gases and liquids, so they don't have any such surface. Now I am telling you the names of these planets. First, which is the closest to the sun, is Mercury. Then second, Venus. Third, our own Earth. And at fourth, we have Mars. At fifth, we have Jupiter. At sixth, we have Saturn. Then Uranus. And last but not the least is Neptune. And what is the meaning of the last but not the least here? Look, we have majorly 8 planets in the solar system, but we also have some dwarf planets. They are smaller in the size, like the Pluto. It is a dwarf planet. And in all of these planets, only Earth has favorable conditions for life. And if we cut Earth into 3 equal parts, 2 of these are covered with water only, and 1 part of these has land. These all planets revolve around the sun in their orbit. Orbit? What is orbit? Orbit is nothing but a path to travel. So now the object which you put before is the asteroid belt. That object which you have put between 4th and the 5th planet. It means in between Mars and Jupiter we have one asteroid belt. And it is to be believed a planet which exploded many years back. And in this belt we have the remains of that planet in the form of rock. These all revolve around the sun due to its gravitational force. Now, the next term we have is meteoroids. And what they are? Meteoroids are the small pieces of rocks which also move around the sun, and sometimes these come in Earth's atmosphere, and due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. We call them shooting stars. But sometimes a meteor, without completely burnt, falls on the earth and creates a hollow. Now, the last thing is the satellite. Satellites are of two types. One is man-made, like those which are launched by the NASA and the ISRO, and many other space research centers. But the second one is natural satellite, which is the moon. Like everything revolves around the sun in the solar system, moons move around the planets. As Earth has moon, other planets also have, and the interesting fact is that Jupiter and Saturn have approximately 53 moons. Isn't it amazing? So, this is the solar system where we exist. And as there are billions of stars, so they make a galaxy. A group of billions of stars make galaxy. Like our galaxy is Milky Way. Its name is Milky Way. And billions of galaxies exist in the universe. Can you imagine how huge is the universe? I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if there is any doubt regarding this chapter, you can write me in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you there. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good time.